Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Alicia. So in today's video I did this easy wearable spring look. I absolutely love it and I hope you guys will too. So if you want to see how I got it, then of course keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see my one eye is already done and I'm gonna go in now with my Supergroup Play Lotion. This is my SPF 50, but look at how glowy my skin looks. That's why I love it. Okay, so this gives me that beautiful glow from within, and that's what we need for a nice spring look. You know, we just want to look shiny and hydrated and just pretty. So then I'll just go in and prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip, and that's the palette I'm using. It's the what is it called? The Morphe palette. I'm going to put everything down below, so in case I don't get to say it, because this thing is moving kind of fast. But the transition color I'm using from there is called Just Barely, and it's just like a light brown. And then now I'm working on the outer, what do you call it? The outer corner. You guys know eyeshadow is not my specialty, but you know, I'm learning and trying to get more comfortable doing it. So the outer corner, I'm using the color Boo Bear, and that's just like a dark brown, but it's not too dark. I didn't want it to be too smoky because it's supposed to be a daytime spring look. So I'm just building it up in the outer corner and kind of pulling it up in my crease, because you guys know I have hooded lids and I have very baggy lids. So if you see, I keep looking to see, I have to like close my eyes, open my eyes, and kind of see how I look if I'm looking straight on, so if you can see the color or not. So that's what I'm doing there. And then now I'm just doing the same color in the inner corner. So I love this kind of look. This is a halo look because it's super easy, but it looks like you did a lot. So, you know, like I said, I'm a beginner with this eyeshadow. So this works for me. And if you're a beginner, this will work for you. So yeah, I'm just building that color up in the crease. And so guys, you can see I'm just going back and forth. Like my eyes, they're hooded, but they also have like extra skin. So I'm doing a little bit more. So I was just showing you the color that I'm using is called Olux. On the camera, it doesn't look as bright as it is, but it's kind of like, it's pink with like a peachy pink. I find like it's a peachy pink on me. So it's a shimmer, a peachy pink shimmer. So I sprayed it so that it could be more intense, because you know, these are Morphe shadows. They're pretty good, but I still could use some more intensity. So as I'm just going back in, and when I'm putting it on, I'm kind of blending it at the same time. So I'm putting it in the middle, but I'm also like going side to side so that it blends. It's not like just straight in the middle. And then I just go back and I blended the two dark edges together. And then as you can see, I had to go back and put back the color that I lost from the blending. And now onto my favorite part, which is the face. I'm using my Nars foundation. I love this foundation. If you guys haven't tried it yet and you're looking for a new foundation, you should definitely check this out. It gives you a nice natural finish. It's called the Light Reflecting Foundation, so I thought it'd be perfect for this spring look. Just, you know, more light to the face, just make you look that much more pretty. And look at the coverage, like look how pretty that looks. And then you can see my glow coming through, and that was from the sunscreen. So this is all spring vibes to me. And so I'm just going to go in with my Nars Potted Concealer, because this is my favorite concealer and I'm using Nars. So I said I'm going to stick to my favorite Nars product. And then I think I went in with my Shein concealer. I like that one because of the shade, and it's also full coverage, but the shade is like a little bit brighter. So I just applied that and then blend that out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set all the areas that I concealed with my Fenty powder. And the Fenty powder, the Pro Filter powder, the shade I got is Banana. This is my first time using this shade. I'm getting used to it. I do like it, but it's definitely a little bit different than my favorite Laura Mercier powder. But it's a good shade. It's kind of off-white, so you know it's not gonna be stark white, but it definitely helps to highlight your face if that's the type of look that you like. And I'm also using some of the powder to set my smile line so that my face stays flawless for the entire day. And then I'm going in with my LYS bronzer, and I'm just kind of using it as a contour. So as you can see, I'm kind of just focusing it in the hollows of my cheek. And now I'm using the Huda Glowish bronzer and just bronzing up my face, and this one has like a glow to it too, so everything that we're using kind of just gives our skin a nice glowy look. This is Merit Beauty blush. I love this blush. It also has a glow to it. This one is called Cheeky, I believe. And then I'm going all over my face with the Nars setting powder, and this powder is kind of like a light glow to it as well, so it gives your face a nice healthy finish. And then I'm gonna highlight with my LYS in rose gold, kind of ties the look all together. And as you can see, I sprayed the brush as well so that I can get more of intensity. And I just put that everywhere where I want the light to hit. So under my brows, on my cheekbones. I think I put some on my nose and on my cupid's bow. I was showing off today, okay? I cannot, my skin is combination oily, so I usually can't get away with too much glow. But when I can, I go all in, and I don't care what anyone says that we're not wearing highlighter anymore. I'm always gonna wear highlighter. I don't know about all that. I will always wear highlighter, okay? Like, look how pretty that looks. So here I'm lining my lips with my NYX pencil in Cappuccino. It's one of my favorite pencils, and I kind of like extend my mouth a little bit, the sides, because I have a little small mouth, and you know, overdraw it a little bit as well. And then my favorite liquid lipstick is by Colored Rain, and this one is called Sugar. Colored Rain is black owned, so I love supporting them, and the quality of their liquid lipsticks is really good. Let me know if you like this voiceover style. If you don't like it, let me know that too, just so I know if I should switch it up sometimes or if, you know, completely just never do this again. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching as always. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below if you do like what you see. Bye.